It was a stunning decision that blindsided almost everyone, including the opposition that filed the petition challenging President Uhuru Kenyatta's victory in the just concluded presidential poll.
I want to read the final order.
David Maraga, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, declared the poll result invalid, null and void, ruling illegalities and irregularities had affected the integrity of the process. 4 judges of the 6-judge bench ruled in favor of the petition.
An order is hereby issued directing the first respondent to organize and conduct a fresh presidential election in strict conformity with the Constitution and the applicable election laws within 60 days.
That decision was met with jubilation from opposition supporters, including the opposition leader Raila Odinga, who attended the court ruling. The opposition leader described it as a victory for Africa.
Indeed, it's a very historic day for the people of Kenya, and by extension, for the people of the continent of Africa. For the first time in history of African democratization, a ruling has been made by a court nullifying irregular elections of a president.
Hours after the ruling, President Uhuru Kenyatta addressed the nation. Kenyatta disagreed with the ruling, but said he was ready to start campaigning.
I personally disagree with the ruling that has been made today, but I respect it as much as I disagree with it. I respect it.
Outside the court, there were scenes of jubilation as opposition supporters broke into song and dance. Despite the victory, the opposition now says it wants a change in the management of the Electoral Commission. But that may be a stretch, as the law demands the rerun be held within 60 days. Nagila, CGTN, Nairobi, Kenya.